Okay, now we're going to talk about creating playlists. So playlists can be comprised of videos that you upload that you've created or any video that's out there on YouTube. So for instance, let's say that I clicked on this video right here. We'll put it pause. What I'm going to do is go ahead and click this little icon with the plus sign. I'm sorry. And what I can do is these are all playlists that I've already created, and I can add this video to any of my playlists. So let's say I wanted to put it in these 3 playlists. I go ahead and do that. Let me just scroll down a little bit so you can see. And then I just click off of it, and those will be in that playlist. I can also, from here, create a new playlist. And I can say, enter the playlist name. I'm going to say new test playlist. Do I want the whole playlist to be public or private? Right now I'm going to say public, but I can make it unlisted or private and go ahead and hit create. And that is now added to the new playlist as well. So you can do this with any video out there on YouTube. Now I'm going to go back to the creator or the YouTube studio or creator studio, whatever they're calling it this hour. And the other place that you can work on your playlist is by going to other features and going to playlists. This is still an old view, hasn't been updated by YouTube yet. I'm going to X that out. And there's a new playlist that I just created. If I want to edit that playlist, I can go ahead, I can change the name of the playlist if I want to, by just clicking on it. Actually, let me go back. I'm going to do that by hitting edit here. Sorry. And when you click edit your playlist, there's a couple different things that you can do. You can, okay, let me say add videos first. So I can add any videos. I can continue to add videos from YouTube. If I know a specific URL of a YouTube video, I can put it in and easily find it. Or I can go to videos that I've uploaded myself. So I'm just going to choose a couple of these, and you just click on them to select them. And now I'm going to say add videos. So now these videos are all part of my playlist. And if I click more, now I can move them up and down, so I can put them in different orders if I want. I can add notes to my videos, and I can set the playlist thumbnail to, you know, whichever video I want. Maybe I want this to be the playlist thumbnail. So then now I'm going to say set that one, and now it's going to have this picture. So you can also go to your playlist settings, and you can make your entire playlist public, unlisted, or private. Allow embedding, it means that it's going to give embed code, so I usually always put that on. Ordering is manual, or you can, you know, change different ways to order. These are the way it's going to order in the playlist. Auto add. You can add rules where videos are automatically added to playlists. Also, you can have allow other people to collaborate and basically add videos to help you create playlists together. So I'm going to hit cancel on the playlist settings. And now, when you click on your channel and you click on playlists, you're going to see, like here's the new playlist that I just did, the new test playlist. Here it is. If I click on it, here it is, and these are all the videos in the playlist. It's kind of a random playlist, but basically the way it works. So that's basically how easy it is to create playlists. I think playlists are really important because it's really nice. Like you could order them organize them by unit. You can organize them, really any way that makes sense for your class. And then you just have an entire, all your videos organized this way. So it is important to create playlists. So why don't you guys take some time right now to upload videos and create playlists?